Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of this amazing shoe. I call it the Cinderella shoe. You probably have heard of this brand. It's called Mark. Hope I said that right. But you have to see these shoes. These shoes are so pretty. I don't even know how to describe it, but before we get this started, first of all, let me introduce myself. For those of you who are new, my name is Stella. I'm a fashion and lifestyle content creator at jador-fashion.com. For those of you who don't know me, whenever I'm not here, I am always on my Instagram, right here where you find tons and tons of outfit inspiration, outfit ideas, behind the scenes, and so much more. So anyways, let's get this started. If you haven't heard of this brand, you have to check it out. I've been eyeing this shoe and I still wasn't sure which one I wanted. I wasn't sure if I wanted their sling bag or I wasn't sure if I wanted their slip-ons. But once I saw this particular design and color, I just knew I had to have it. I remember I did a poll on my Instagram asking you guys whether I should get the green or the yellow one. A lot of people said the green, and of course I want the green, the emerald green, my birthstone, love it, love it, love it. But I still have my eye on the yellow one too as well. So let's get this started. Stay tuned. Let's get this started. Let me show you the shoe. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, why I unbox it. This is a slight review of what my thoughts are about it. So this is the shoe. Hopefully you can see it. It's March, I believe. March. So it came here and here. So let's I love the color. I was contemplating on whether to get the green or the yellow one, but after my poll, I did a poll on my Instagram for you guys to help me decide which color to get, and almost everybody was saying green. I still love the yellow. I still want the yellow, but this is just so pretty. I've had my eyes on this shoe, especially the sling bag version of this shoe, for a long time. But I wanted it, the colors that I want. Each time I looked at the colors that I want, they were never available, which was really the black or the clear version. But when I saw the slip-on green ones, I just had to have it. It's so pretty. Let me get out the other one. So this is what it looks like. I got it in a 40. I got it in a size 40. I typically wear a size 40. So this is true to size. Am I holding? Yeah, I feel like I was holding. Hold on 1 second. So this fits true to size. Love, love, love. Love it. The color, the first thing that caught my attention with this shoe is, of course, the bow crystal details and the color. I love bow, but sometimes I don't. Certain shoes I might not want a bow, depending on how it looks, because I'm always caught in between getting a bow that feels too girly for me. So I always try to find a middle ground of a bow with some unique details to it. if that makes sense. But this color, I feel like the shoe is something you can pretty much wear with anything. Like I'm currently wearing jeans and this Angers top, and I could just throw on this. You don't have to actually wear green to, you don't actually wear green to wear these shoes. Look at it. It sparkles. Like I feel like this is, I call it the Cinderella shoes. like just running and forgetting these on the stairs like the movie. That makes sense. I know. But I love these. Love the details. Love the stone details. Love it here. I just like that it's enough without it being overwhelming. You can dress them up with a dress for a date night. You can dress it down with jeans and a nice blouse, just like I'm wearing. This is a size 40, and I will say it honestly fits exactly true to size. I typically wear 39 and I think we wear 39 and half and 40, but for this I chose to go, especially when it's shoes that are closed toe, I always go with 40. If shoes that are open toe, depending on the brand, sometimes I go with 39 and half. But this is definitely 40 true to size. Just love every bit of it. I've worn it once just for a shoot that I just did recently, and it was comfortable. It was very, very comfortable to walk in. Initially, it felt like it would slip off when I walked, but because I was still kind of slightly new to it. But besides that, I love it. I love the color. It comes in so many different colors. I believe even purple. I think like an orange red color and a clear version. But this green, it's everything and more. Just check it out. Look at the heel. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's less than 4 inches, which is not bad. I always love 4-inch heels and higher, but this is not bad. I love this. Definitely something that I'll be wearing so much often, you know. So love it, love it, love it. I'll share it. Look at the picture below. You see how I'm wearing it with that dress. I wore it a couple weeks ago with that dress. Just love it. Definitely, if you're still on the fence on getting this, I would say go for it. Like anybody I remember my mom seeing it. I remember a friend of mine seeing it, my photographer seeing it, and she was like, "Oh my God, where do you find all this unique shoes and cute shoes?" So definitely that shoe that you can wear with jeans. Definitely that shoe you can wear for a wedding guest dress it up, dress it out. This is it. So yeah, this is one of my, I call it spring summer shoe buy. So yeah, well, that's it for this amazing shoe. I'm about to head out and I'm gonna wear it with my outfit. Let me share my outfit with you guys. It's my outfit. I'm wearing up a little bit. Wearing this. So wearing this. Love this stuff too. Well, that completes it for my video for this unboxing and this mini review of my recent purchase of this amazing phenomenal shoe. I'll put the link in my description. Hopefully you can find your size and it's still available to you. And if you have a pair, or if you plan on getting it, let me know what pair you have. I'm also considering the yellow one, fingers crossed, but who knows. But anyways, let me know what you think. Do you like it? Thumbs up, what do you think? Anyways, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share and like the video and comment. For any question regarding the shoe, you can leave a comment and I'll be glad to answer it. And you know where to find me when I'm not on YouTube, right? You can find me on my Instagram right here. Until next time, don't forget to hit the subscription button if you're new here. Talk to you later. Bye.